In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this abstract art. This is how the mesh looks like, and there are only 3 meshes in the scene. The base mesh is using an array modifier, and it can be modified freely by adjusting the mesh or the empty object. I have created the original base mesh by using an array modifier with an empty object as its anchor on a plane mesh. But it can be created easily by using a mesh circle. If you don't see this menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. The idea is to go to Edit mode, and check Deselect, but we must fill the mesh before doing so. If we try to fill the mesh after adjusting the circle mesh this way, it will be much more difficult to fill the mesh. After that, I extruded and scaled the mesh to create a base mesh. The empty object in the scene plays a vital role, as it's linked to the array modifier as an object offset anchor. I'll show you the rest of the setup details. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.